Hi everyone, welcome to another video about Dynamics 365 Human Resources. In this case, I'm going to share with you a really good and really awesome module that is called Recruitment Management, and we're going to dive in and understand a bit more how this module works. So basically, if I go to the hamburger menu, you're going to see that I have a lot of favorites. I try to put all the modules or workspaces that I use every day for demos or for content creation. So I put all that under favorites. But if you don't have it here, there's two ways you can address or you can go into the recruitment management module. So first off, you can go to human resources here. And under human resources, you're going to find all the workspaces related, included recruitment management. The second option that you have is to go to workspaces and scroll down until you find the recruitment management module, and there you are. I'm going to go back to my favorites and we're going to go to recruitment management. So a new tab will open with a lot of information. What we're about to see in this screen is all the information about recruitment management for this specific legal entity. So as you can see here, we have already a project that's it's assigned to myself. In the system, I'm Julia Vanderbroek. So this is the project that has been assigned to myself. And then we have a list of all the projects. We don't have much, but we have these two projects going. We can easily create a new project, going here to plus new recruitment project and completing. So for example, let's keep these sequence going. There we are. The recruiter is going to be the first one in line. There you go. Then we are going to select our department, finance, job, accountant. Hiring manager is going to be Jody as well. There we go. Lovely. And then we're going to say that this requisition has been approved today, right? Let's save this. We are going to later on enable the display on employee self-service. If I try to do this, it's going to give me an error that the job ad must be created. So it can be shown in the employee self-service. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the job ad. This is going to load another. There you go. So here we can enter the text we want. I have found in internet, of course, a job description about, well, in this case it's account manager, but let's keep it like that. So we have all, let's put over here, for example, accountant. There you go. And we have our accountant. We can insert images if we want. The only tricky thing for images is that we need a URL, and the good thing is that we can add an alternative text. So this means that it is considering diversity and accessibility. So I'm really happy about that. In this case, we're going to just save it and close it. And one thing that is important that might not seem as important, but it's actually really important, is to change the recruitment project status. So here by default, all the recruitment projects are going to stay in schedule, but we're going to start it. So this means that we are going to update the project to start it, and let's press OK. The project status here is going to change, and I'm going to enable the display on employee self-service. Let's save this. One thing that we can do is to add applications. So applications are taking, we can create a new one. There you go. And we're going to enter information. So as you can see, because I already selected the application within the project, the recruitment project is taking a lot of information. For example, the recruitment project, the department, and the job. The name of the applicant, this is coming from the global address book, so you should have your applicant already created there. Let's go to, for example, Andrew Sullivan. Let's select it. There we go. We have the number of the applicant, the applicant type. So this is an external applicant, and we are going to just only load this, and I'm going to go to applicant details. Then if we go to applicant details, we can see much more information about this person. So we have we can complete a lot of things here, as you can see. So the things that we already saw, the personal title, suffix, last name, prefix, middle name. We can, for example, set it as future consideration. We are going to save this. Then under addresses, we have the address of this this applicant, and we have contact information, of course, to reach out to this person. And then we have personal information that is pretty much the same as, it has a lot of common fields with the worker one, right? So we can add some information. For example, we can add skills to this applicant. We already have some of the skills here. We can add professional experiences. We have here, we don't have anything, but we could have here entered our professional experiences and so on. And then we have, let's see, related information. So here we have the identification screens. We have references or images if we wanted to. Let's go to applications once again. And here we have this person. We can change the application status from received to, for example, confirmed, and that will change the status and update here. Confirmed. It will change the status of this specific applicant, right? So this is what we can do. Then we have the applicant communication, so we can create a letter or create an email. One of the functionalities that I think it is my favorite so far for this module is the ability to showcase to employees what roles are available, and you can apply directly through employee self-service. So we go here to the hamburger menu, we go to employee self-service, and as you can see, a couple of boxes will appear in the top. I'm going to go to open jobs. And here I can see all the jobs that are open, so I can apply to them if I wanted to. So let's say I want to apply for sales associate. I go to apply, I will select it there and apply. This will submit my application. And long story short, this is how the recruitment management module workspace works, and I hope you find it useful. I'm going to keep testing it and sharing with you how we can make this work, but basically what we're seeing here is a very solid and strong platform that will help you manage your applicants and your recruitment projects. And as you can see, we can display things on employee self-service, we can try things out. So I hope you find it useful, and if you have any question, any feedback or anything you want to know, just feel free to reach out, comment below, or find me on LinkedIn or Twitter. Thank you and have a great day.